Saudi Grab. I am Michinobu Sugata, President of Toyota Motor Thailand. Our valued customers, our friends from the media, our fellow Toyota dealer principals, ladies and gentlemen, here in Thailand, we are glad to see the situation of COVID infections is consistently getting better. As I mentioned at the time of new Hilux level and Fortuner launching, I am respectful to Thai government for controlling the situation effectively, all the medical professionals for working hard at the front line every day and night, and Thai people for displaying the power of unity to stay healthy. On top of that, I would like to extend our heartfelt sympathies to those who returned from abroad and are unfortunately under medical treatments at this moment. We sincerely hope that everybody will get well soon. Apparently, Thailand seems to be overcoming the worst period, and Thai government in response announced series of relaxations of our daily lives and business. I am also happy to know that schools have reopened from this month. While the country takes encouraging steps towards its recovery, we, Toyota Motor Thailand, are willing to stay with Thai people and fight against the pandemic until its end by continuing our Toyota Stay With You project. Although the situation is improving, we should remain vigilant and help minimize the risk. Therefore, last month, we donated in-car separators for school commuter buses, desk separators, Ratchamongkol rice, and so on, to the schools in Chachen Sao province, where our gateway and Bampo plants are located, wishing the health of students who will lead Thailand in the future. In addition to expand our collaboration with the Business Alliance, we have teamed up with True Corporation, a well-known leading Thai company, to support 22 units of our Hilux level for transporting medical equipment and staffs. With our sincere respect for Thailand as a nation, we always feel privileged to cheer up Thai people, and today I am pleased to announce another new product of Toyota at this particular timing. Before I introduce our new model, let me ask you, ladies and gentlemen, what do you want to do most now? For me, I want to do traveling and enjoy journey once again. Since I became president of Toyota Motor Thailand about 3 years ago, I have visited all of 155 Toyota dealers nationwide and been to almost all the provinces out of 77 in Thailand. Wherever I visited, I could always see the nice harmonies of nature and towns, enjoy fabulous local dishes, and meet friendly people with the smiles. Thailand is truly a beautiful country. Therefore, I believe while you had to stay at home for a while, you thought of going out to your hometowns where you were born and brought up, your favorite places with your loved ones, or beautiful beaches and mountains your children love. Also, you thought of meeting your old friends living far away from you, or going somewhere you have never known. Whatever thoughts you may have, I am pretty sure that you have truly realized how important the freedom of mobility is in your lives. I am also struck by how I wanted this. As you are aware, Toyota Motor Thailand wants to deliver the mobility of happiness. As a mobility company, we would like to offer to everybody the freedom of mobility, and the mobility should never be an obstacle for anybody. We will continue to provide the universal happiness, safe and sound. Ladies and gentlemen, in line with the mobility of happiness, here comes the best model for everybody, enabling a new journey under new normal. Please take a look at our all-new SUV as an attractive addition to Toyota's model lineup. Today, we are proud of introducing the next generation passenger SUV, the all-new Corolla Cross. Under the Toyota's philosophy of making ever better cars. With the tagline of a new journey, the all-new Corolla Cross is developed under the concept of compact yet comfortable and dignity urban vogue. This is a new product in the new category which Toyota has never had in the past, and Thailand is the very first country in the world to introduce the all-new Corolla Cross. With the all-new Corolla Cross, you'll be able to spend precious time with the family as private and safe space, and also show your status and lifestyle with a powerful yet delicate exterior as well as a spacious interior. We pursue to satisfy all of your wishes about classy utility beyond your expectations, together with affordable prices. I believe this almighty car can well represent your new journey in the new era. The all-new Corolla Cross will be rolled out at our Gateway manufacturing plant, a passenger car plant in Chachoengsao province, from 13th of July. It is also made by Thais and exported to other markets by Thais. We successfully restarted the production at Gateway from 25th of May to be in time for Corolla Cross launch today. Okay? So far so good? So, before your departure for your new journey, let's have a test drive. As I told you before, I love driving and tested Corolla Cross many times from its prototype stage. As its name indicates, the platform of Corolla Cross is based on Corolla sedan, and so its QDR, quality, durability, and reliability is guaranteed. On top of that, Corolla Cross is really nimble and agile with TNGA platform and its powertrains, 1.8-liter gasoline engine and 4th generation hybrid system. Rather than pursuing the numerical specifications such as engine horsepower or torque, what we have taken care of most is the driver's total feeling about the ultimate balance of drivability, such as responsive steering, following the driver's intention exactly, the optimized suspension, providing the right comfort for both drivers and passengers, the stress-free performance of gasoline and hybrid engines with the top-of-the-class fuel efficiency and the quietness. I really felt present and had an extra fun moment in driving Corolla Cross. Frankly, I didn't want to get out of the car. On top of its excellent drivability, we have put all the functions beyond your expectations, such as the powered back door with kick sensor, the advanced safety technology, the panoramic view monitor, and the new T-Connect device and services. Together with the T-Connect, you can have our PHYD, Pay How You Drive, car insurance, which I believe will be good incentives for your safety drive. Later, our chief engineer at our headquarters, Mr. Kameyama, will explain the details of the all-new Corolla Cross, followed by Mr. Slasak, our executive vice president, to present its marketing strategy. Having said all that, I want to finish my work for today because my Corolla Cross is waiting for me to go out to play badminton with Thai national team. Well, before I leave for my new journey, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you are convinced by now. Are you ready for your new journey with the all-new Corolla Cross? Let's go out for sport leisure, outdoor activities, and whatever you like. Enjoy the all-new Corolla Cross with a peace of mind. Koppunle Saudi Club.